Welcome to the Great Newsome tutorial on how to set up a Polypin connector. We will provide you with the hand pump and the connector, and you will need a flathead or posi screwdriver. Firstly, place the polypin on a flat and secure surface as shown here, then open the perforated flap to reveal its tap. On the tap, remove the plastic safety tab. Take the hose from the hand pump and turn the Jubilee clip with your screwdriver to remove the current connector. This will loosen up the current connector. These can be a bit tight and some gloves may be required for a firmer and more comfortable grip. Now insert the Polypin connector and tighten the Jubilee clip back up. Turn the knob on the connector to this position. Then place the connector over the tap and check for a secure fit. Turn the knob which pushes down on the internal tap. You are now set up and ready to go.